Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to add Mantle Network to Trust Wallet. Now, if you're looking to add the Mantle Network to your Trust Wallet, all you need to do is simply search for the Mantle Network. That's to make sure the Mantle Network is not on the wallet already. So simply search for Mantle. And once you've searched for the Mantle Network, if you find the Mantle Network on your wallet, this is the native Mantle Network, as well as the Mantle on Ethereum. This is also a chain on the Mantle Network. Now, if you do not find the Mantle Network on your wallet, you could simply add the Mantle Network to your wallet by using the icon at the top right. So once you click on the Manage Crypto and select the plus icon, you could either add a token, that is the Mantle token if you cannot find it, or you could simply add the network. So here we go, the Mantle Network. So all you need to do now is simply open up your browser. That's minimize and open up your browser. Log on to the platform using the link in the description of the video. This is the Mantle docs. So when you simply scroll through, you would find how to add the main net and as well as the test net Sepolia. So now all you need to do is simply add all of this information into the Trust Wallet, such as the name, the symbol, the node URL, and Explorer. So once you're done with that, all right, so once you filled in the necessary requirements, click on the import option and you would have successfully imported the Mantle Network. As you can see here, Trust Wallet says the chain already exists, so it's not possible to add what is already there. So if it's not there, it would work. Otherwise, you add it manually. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.